What's up, boss babes? This your girl, Boss Lady V, coming back with another video. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button so you can check your girl out every time she drops a video. Don't forget hit the bell. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all that for your girl. And if you're one of my subscribers, welcome back. This is another chit chat with your girl, Boss Lady V. Basically, I wanted to come on here because with me being a small business and with the coronavirus, things is not, like I wanted, but it's not going to stop me. It's not going to stop me. I'm going to keep pushing like it's not happening. I might not be getting orders like I want orders to get in, but I'm working behind the scenes. I'm working on what I'm bringing next, content for my YouTube, just a lot. And this is time for you to spend time with your family, because when it's over, the ones that has the 9 to 5, that's not out of work already, gonna have to go back to work. This is a time to build better relationship with your kids because they're home during the day. It's crazy. But, a lot of people is getting discouraged. A lot of people is like, you know what, I'm giving up. I'm not, no. Having my own business is my passion. Having my own business is my goal. So when I'm not getting orders, I'm working behind the scenes, pushing out what I'm doing next. I have so much products coming, but with the coronavirus, a lot of my shipments is like postponed. I'm not sure when it's gonna come, but still, if you're a small business owner, stay consistent. Like, you may not be getting the orders you want. You may not be getting, as much, traffic on your website, but don't give up, because that's what the devil wants us to do. They want us to give up. He wants us to give up. Yes, the world may seem a little crazy right now, but we get over it. It has to end sometimes. So, just work on some goals, work on maybe some products that you want to do, like Google some things, maybe you can like spring clean your office to make it feel fresh when you finally get back to where you was. But now, don't get me wrong, it's some businesses that's still like booming, like ain't nothing stopping them. They getting the orders, they getting this, they getting that, but we have some people that's small business owners like myself that's not getting the orders that I want. It's not getting the traffic that I want on my website, but I'm not going to give up. I'm still going to push hard for what I want. And I have so much stuff coming to my website. So I'm like getting that organized, making sure the prices is right, working on my website. Like, it's so much that you can do with this time being home, especially the ones that was working 9 to 5, whatever, had that job, that didn't have as much time into putting into their business. And this is the time. You may not want to order anything. I'm not sure what's going to happen with post office stuff and you getting shipments, because like I said, I was doing online orders beginning of the end of February, beginning of March, and like the girl's still waiting on it. It's like, for some packages, I've been waiting for like 3 weeks, and I go track them, and it's like with the coronavirus, maybe pushed back, but I am getting some stuff. So I actually got two of them from China that I was waiting on, but I still got like a buttload of more stuff coming in. I at least got 6 more packages from China coming. Not sure when I'm going to get it, but I'm not going to let it discourage me. I have been working on planning for my business. If you check out my videos, you can see that I spring clean. I actually changed my desk. If you notice, like my background wasn't like this. You actually seen like my closet where I do my lip gloss and my computer, but I wanted a background, so I switched. Just turned my desk, and that's all I changed. So I'm taking the time out to declutter my office, which is almost done. The only thing I don't like is most of our stores down here is closed, so I can't go get the little bit of things that I wanted to complete my room. But your girl just been chilling. Like it's my kids. I mean, I'm a at home mom already, so me doing the 9 to 5 or whatever. It really didn't phase me because I stopped working in January to put more time in with my kids. Because my daughter had got sick, so I had to stop work for a little bit to make sure she was good. And when I wanted to go back to work, it's like everything with the coronavirus is coming, so it's like we gotta hold off. So with this time with me holding off, I'm basically working on my business, working on my YouTube content. Like I'm so ready for whatever's gonna happen. A lot of people said 2020 was gonna be their year. Don't give up. 2020 still could be our year. It's just March. Maybe not knowing how long that this coronavirus is going to be in effect, but when it do, that's when we're gonna pop out. Everybody. I believe in everybody. Everybody's gonna accomplish their dreams. Everybody's gonna accomplish their goals. And we're basically, I mean, may not got to boom the way we wanted to at the beginning of the year, but boom, we gonna end 2020 with a bang. And that's how you gotta look at it, as everything happens for a reason. And I'm not saying that the coronavirus should be happening, but this is time that you can spend time with your family, and more time with your kids if you don't get that time because you work that 9 to 5. So, we try to make everything that's negative going around you to something positive, because the world is already negative. So, basically, I just wanted to come on here to, just chit chat, telling small businesses, don't give up. Don't give up. Please don't give up. Because if this is really what you want, you're going to push forward with the coronavirus or whatever else that's trying to take us down. Because this coronavirus is like crazy. Like it started out small, it was in China, and then we got some people get sick here, and now it's like businesses are shutting down. We on curfew, and like it is crazy. Like I don't know, but I decided to do this video, and it may feel like that it's all over the place, but my main goal was for this video is for small businesses that is discouraged, like, oh my god, what's gonna happen to my business, what's gonna happen next. Like, put your faith in God, and God is gonna make a way. He always do. Like, he always do. If you keep your faith in him and you keep him as one of your top three, family, however you want it, God, family, however you want to put it, but you make God, you put it in his hands, and he's gonna make a way, period. So I decided, I don't know, just wanted to talk to my boss babes, telling y'all that do not get discouraged. Lady V is here if you want to talk. Email me. If y'all like videos of me sending out positive vibes, just leave it in the description below, because y'all give me some topics, I'll talk about it. But this like, I have a story special for one of my vendors. So I ordered some products from a vendor, and I've ordered with her before, but she shipped my items to the wrong address. How did she ship it to the wrong address? I don't know. It's another Veronica Poole, because that's my name, Veronica Poole, that's, I guess, that's in the state that I'm in that has a PayPal similar to mine, and I don't know how she got the mix up, but like I got mad, but I wasn't mad because she's a business. Like, we make mistakes. We try not to make mistakes. But, me learning from this mistake about having the wrong address is for me to stay on my P's and Q's, making sure the address is right, all that, because like you actually sending these people products to the wrong people, like, you know, I don't want that to happen. And, that was an eye opener because it's like a pretty big shipment that, I mean, it's not big, but it's a pretty decent amount of money that I spent. And I was like, oh my God, like, it's going to the wrong address. But with her being, whatever she did, she actually caught it because it was shipped, but it was in Hong Kong. So she basically, I guess she called over there and said, hey, this is the wrong address. So hopefully, guys, be praying that everything goes well. Because before, when I was tracking it, it was supposed to be here this Friday coming up. So Friday, what is it? So it'll be Friday the 28th, no, the 27th is when it's supposed to come. So we're going to pray that it still comes, because everything was going good, and the tracker said the 27th Friday. So basically it's just a wait, because I'm waiting on a lot of stuff. Like, I'm supposed to get my new lashes and my new lash boxes tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 25th. But you won't know because I had got one of my packages was delivered yesterday, but it came today, because like it's a lot of confusion with my stuff. But I didn't give up. I just stepped away from the office, went and watched movies with my kids to get my mind off on it. And then this morning I got on the phone and stuff, and my shipment came. So basically, I just want to tell y'all that we all may seem, like, oh my God, what's going to happen next? Should I shut my business down? Like, what do I do? Just do what you feel that's best for you, because like I said, we have businesses that the coronavirus is not affecting, that's still getting orders every day, 15, 20 orders a day, still making that money. And then you have some business that's not. So basically, I want to, say that, hey, don't give up. We got this. We got this. We got this. And at the end of the day, you may feel like just giving up, but don't. Like, if you feel that way when it comes to your business, maybe you need to step away for a little bit. Maybe you need to just step away and breathe and say, hey, just let me step away, and come back another day, because we got this. I don't know how many times I'm going to say it. We got this, and that's on period. Like, don't give up. Because if you give up, that's what people want you to do. And that's not what we're going to do. We're not going to give up. We're going to keep pushing. We're going to work on some end of the year goals. We're going to work on monthly goals. We work 5 months from now, the end of the year. Like, this year is going by fast. It's almost April. So, boom, think about what you want to push out for the summer. Like, we don't know how long the coronavirus is going to last. But this is the time that you just put a main focus. Put your focus on what's going to happen next. When this coronavirus is over, what can I push out? Like, what's something new that I can push out? Like, it's a lot that you can do behind the scenes if you're not getting orders. But, just want to do another chit chat. Really like doing a chit chat. I was like super scared to come to the front of the cameras, but, that's a fear that I got over. So, basically, I'm just pushing out these chit chats. I really had this on my heart because, my daughter said, well, mommy, it doesn't seem like that you're sad. that the coronavirus here and your business may have to stop for a little while and stuff like that. My kids is my motivation. My kids is like, they keep it 100. And I had to tell my baby girl, like, no, mommy's not sad, mommy's not worried, mommy just, working on what's next, or what I'm gonna bring to the table. So I have so much that I'm bringing to the table because I have that time to focus and stuff while I'm home. Oh, excuse me. So this is the end of the video. It may feel like it's all over the place, but I just wanted to come on here to talk about small business owners. Don't give up. We got this. Okay? Don't give up. It may not be our time, but we will have a time. And when our time comes, that's when we're gonna look back and was like, hey, my first of the year started rocky, but I'm ending my year with a bang. And that's how I'm looking at it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but when it do up and lift and everything gets back to normal, Boss Lady V is coming hard. When I say I'm coming hard, I'm coming with some stuff. And I have nothing but time to come and think and make sure that it's right, make sure the price is right, make sure it's good quality, make sure I test it out, make sure when I'm sending it out, it's sent out with love and all of that in between. So this is the end of the video. Boss Lady V loves you. Until my next chit chat or to my next video, guys, thanks.